Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to create business account on Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on Facebook application and you will be appear with this type of screen interface. Click on that little profile icon and then go ahead and click on pages. As you can see the create option right there. Click on it and then click on get started and name a page you want to add on your business profile or business account. Once it's done, click on next and then go ahead and select your categories and click on create. Once it's done, you can select the service, what service does your business do, or anything. You can add your now information and everything. Once it's done, you can create a business account successfully on Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.